Meaning of friendless.
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 Friendless. Friendless is an adjective that describes a person who has no friends or companions. This can be due to various reasons, such as social anxiety, shyness, introversion, or simply not having found like-minded individuals. Being friendless can lead to feelings of loneliness, isolation, and depression, as well as a lack of social support and opportunities for personal growth. It is important to remember that everyone deserves to have meaningful relationships in their lives, and seeking out new friendships can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience.